threat that continues as we go through the afternoon. And when we talk about the severe storm threat, this is a level 3 out of 5. Now, the coverage expands more than 1,000 miles, really from portions of Minnesota clear back into Texas. And the tornado threat is going to be significant as well. This could be producing some very large tornadoes, some large hail, and some wind. So let's talk more about the timing. The next round that we watch of these storms continues to move on through. And again, it's not what we're seeing this morning, but it's what we see this afternoon that is a major concern, especially into the evening hours. Kansas City, Missouri, will give you the live view yet again, full screen, because at times you will notice those lightning strikes really picking up. So while we have the morning commute a bit of a mess this morning, notice the temperatures. 62 degrees. Now, the dew points are going to get right up into the 60s. We have a warm front that's going to come in, pump up the moisture, pump up the temperatures, and this is all going to play into what happens this afternoon. You look to the west, and there's nothing going on here. You actually have some dry, dusty air coming through that will break down in just a moment, bumping into the humid air, creating the chance for these storms to produce supercells, straight line winds, especially as we go through the evening hours. Clusters could form into a line. Here's what we've got for the tornado threat. Notice a level 3 out of 5 extends from Springfield. I talked about Interstate 44, 49, portions of I-40, in fact, a good stretch of I-40, really from Oklahoma City to Little Rock. And then over in through I-35. We talked about I-35 just a moment ago. Look at Wichita, Oklahoma, back into Dallas, another area to watch. Having said that, when you're talking about these storms, a lot of these storms could be EF2 or greater. Here is the timing. We showed you what's going on real time with the radar right now. As we go through the afternoon, things start to settle down just a bit. It will still be an active day as far as rain and thunderstorms for portions of Wisconsin into Michigan. Now you see the reignition come 7 o'clock this evening. A few clusters to the south starting to pop up, and all of these clusters are taking up a lot of the energy themselves until they start to come together. Now you'll start to see this line form. This is midnight tonight. The northern half extends all the way into portions of Green Bay, Wisconsin. Southern half goes all the way to clearly Oklahoma City. And you watch for these little discrete cells all by themselves. This type of future track doesn't pick up on these that well. But I'll tell you what, come midnight, if you've got some of these isolated storms by themselves ahead of the main line, those will be eating up a lot of the energy. Now, we're going through the overnight hours. And yes, we've got a lot of energy to support these storms to really stay and be well organized through the overnight hours. Saturday morning, here's a look at the next stretch, which will break down in just a moment. But look at this expansive line. Having said that, when you've got this, you're dealing with not only strong winds, but you can also see little notches within these lines, especially when you got little bows like that, that could potentially lead to some twist. These twists could produce quick tornadoes, and you can see several of them at a time. Oklahoma City dealing with some very strong gusty winds, and look at the temperatures. You're dealing with 70s and a lot of humidity that is starting to produce a good atmosphere for some of these storms. It's one of the ingredients that we watch closely